Hi everyone! Welcome back sa aking channel at sa video ito. Okay, geometry pa rin tayo pero angles and parallel lines pa rin. Pero konting theory muna tayo ulit. Okay? So, meron tayong sasagutang ilang mga questions. Okay. So, for example, itong parallel lines, ayan, meron tayong intersecting lines. Okay, so meron tayong ilan to? 2, 4, 6, 8 angles in parallel lines. Now, we have to name at least 4 pairs of congruent angles. Congruent angles, ang ibig sabihin niyan, equal angles or equal sila. Two angles na pareho. Okay, pareho ng measure. So, sabi natin, yung mga congruent, okay, or corresponding angles. For example, this one, angle B and angle E. Okay. So, number 1, okay, angle B and angle E. Okay, number 2, ano pa? Pwede ring angle A and angle F. Okay? Angle A and angle F. Number 3, okay, angle D and angle H. Okay, corresponding angles. Okay, going back to yung ating first video about geometry or angles in parallel lines. Para ma-review kayo, so panoorin nyo yung first video or yung part 1. So, angle D and angle H. And angle H. And last, number 4. So, meron din tayong angle F and angle G. Oh, sorry, angle C and angle G. Okay. Next. Okay, same given parallel lines and angles. Name 2 pairs of alternate interior angles. So, medyo naging specific tayo dito ngayon. Alternate interior angles. So, interior, ibig sabihin nasa loob, syempre. So, 2 pairs of alternate interior. So, meron tayong angle D and angle E. Okay? Alternate yan, di ba? So, number 1, angle D and angle E. Number 2, nasa loob pa, meron tayong angle C and angle F. Okay, alternate din. Okay. Alternate sila, di ba? So, angle C and angle F. Okay. Next one. I hope nakakasunod ng lahat. If the measure of angle B is 40, okay, 40 degrees, what is the measure of angle C? So again, angle B and C, so pangalanan muna natin sila. Yan yung tinatawag na supplementary angles. Tulad natin, okay, supplementary angles. Pag sinabing supplementary angles, ang sum niyan, ang total ng angles nila ay 180 degrees. Okay, so since ang total dapat daw nila is 180, okay, so 40 degrees, okay, plus C. Okay, so transpose natin. 180 degrees minus 40 degrees equals C. So, meron tayong 140 degrees. So, ang measure ng angle C natin is 140 degrees. Okay? Ayan. Straight line to, di ba? Straight line, so 180. So, nagkaroon ng division. Okay. So, meron tayong 40 sa kabila. So, syempre, dapat yung kabila 140 para magkaroon ng total of 180 degrees. Okay, next one. If angle B and H are alternate exterior angles, okay, so exterior, so ibig sabihin nasa labas. Ayan, angle B, okay, nasa labas yan. And angle H, nasa labas din siya. Okay? What is the relation of angle H and angle G? So, sabi natin kanina, ayan, parang angle B and C. Ayan. Okay? So, yan ang tinatawag na supplementary angles. Okay, so angle H and angle G are supplementary angles. Next. If angle F is 100 degrees, what is the measure of angle G? So kung ang angle F daw natin is 100 degrees, ano ang measure ng angle G? Okay, so of course, they are vertical angles. Yung tinatawag na vertical angles. Okay, na-discuss ko ito sa aking part 1 video ng parallel lines. Okay, they are always equal. So, ibig sabihin, ang angle G natin is 100 degrees din. Okay? So, vertical angles are always equal. Next. What is the relation of angle D and angle E? Angle D and angle E. So, obviously, okay, alternate sila. Alternate angles. So, what kind of alternate angles? So, meron tayong, since nasa loob sila, so, interior. Okay. So, alternate interior angles. Okay, so I hope merong nakatulong ako sa inyong pag-aaral dyan sa Pilipinas. Maraming salamat po. Ako po si Konkru TV. Pagpalain po kayo ng ating Panginoon Diyos.